Pull out the phone holder to take out both joysticks from the rubber storage. Clockwise rotate to install the joystick on the transmitter. Unfold the antenna and put your smartphone into the holder. To turn on the transmitter, just short press once, then press and hold again the power button until the transmitter sounded beep. That means already turned on. Hubsan has provided 3 types of TX cables for connect with different smartphone. You will notice the TX and phone marked on the cable. TX for connected transmitter, and phone, it's connect to your smartphone. Choose your applicable TX cable, connect to transmitter, store well your cable, and connect to your smartphone. Open the Hubsan 2.0 app, select the models of aircraft, and enter device. Once the controller icon changed to repeater icon, that means it's connected with the transmitter. Take out your aircraft, unfold the front arm, then unfold the rear arm. Please unfold the arm to maximum position. Open the gimbal cover protection. Insert your battery into the aircraft and push on the click. That means the battery has been inserted properly. Before the aircraft take off, please check the top of battery and left to right to confirm the battery is installed correctly. Short press, then press and hold the power button again to turn on your aircraft. Place near both aircraft and transmitter, wait about 3 seconds. When ready for flight is displayed in the prompt screen, it indicates that the connection is successful. In order to reduce power consumption and save power, FPV has been automatically turned off, and FPV will automatically turn on after the aircraft takes off. The activation page will auto-pop out when you're first using your brand new aircraft. You can register a new account if you're new on Hubsan app. Key in your email address and your contact number to activate the aircraft. Completed the activation, select your aircraft and enter to the app page. If you already buy or plan to buy the Hubsan Care service, you have linked your Hubsan account and binded the device and transmitter on the device management before activate or after activated within 48 hours of your aircraft. If you have replaced the other aircraft or the transmitter, for the first-time connection, you need switch into pairing mode. Press and hold the FN button and the same time with the recording button on the transmitter. Once the displays show connecting, that means it's switched to pairing mode. Use the needle to press and hold the pairing button on the aircraft. Once the LED light changed to yellow with quick flashing, that means the aircraft is in pairing mode. After the bind is successful, when ready for flight is displayed in the prompt screen, it indicates that the connection is successful. The bottom of the aircraft is designed with efficient heat dissipation, can conduct the heat quickly to make the aircraft flight in perfect performance. It's normal when the aircraft bottom are heating. If you're for long-time flight or during the firmware upgrade process, to avoid the heat at the bottom aircraft, please install the heat shield before turning on or before takeoff. Thanks for watching.